Good morning and happy Wednesday. It's June 10th, and this week we have one last assignment for our course. And what we're doing is I'm trying to tie in some current events that just occurred literally 1 week ago to our flight activity that we were doing with the Great Paper Airplane Challenge. So you've been working on the Paper Airplane Challenge, looking at different designs and how to make a plane fly, and you probably found some really neat stuff. Students have turned in their work already. We're able to find different websites and different platforms that showed how to actually fold a piece of paper to make a paper airplane that would have maximum flight time. Okay, we were looking for over 3 seconds. Now, some of you have done over 3 seconds, some of you have not done over 3 seconds. So, if you haven't done over 3 seconds, then you should probably keep trying until you get a design that does work. Okay, that whole engineering design process, coming up with an idea, looking at the constraints, trying to see, what's been done before, what can I use from what's been done before to, sorry, coffee pot is telling me it's turning off. What's been done before, how we can use that. Okay, now there's a pretty big leap from paper airplanes to launching men into space, but it is related. It is flight, it is aerodynamics, and it's relevant because literally 1 week ago, on June 3rd, SpaceX launched two astronauts into space. So today's assignment, there is a document with a video link in the document that shows the SpaceX launch, provides details about the launch, so please work on that worksheet. And when I looked up to confirm the date of last week's launch, I found out that they're supposedly going to try and launch another rocket this Friday. So crazy. We haven't put men into space for a long time out of the United States. But now they're literally doing a rocket last week, and then they're doing one on this Friday. So should be interesting to see what happens. I do not think there are more astronauts going to space, but I'm not 100% sure on this week's launch, if it's just materials or if it's men. But we'll go from there. So that's our last assignment for this week and for the semester. So please try to get that done as soon as you can and turned in. And please check School Tool. Make sure if you're missing any grades that you go ahead and you do those as soon as possible. Okay, let's try to get them all done. Thank you.